Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 20, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Section A, Easy. Let's start. Value of x in the pair of linear equations 36x plus 24y equals to 702 and 24x plus 36y equals to 558 is, means basically you have to find the value of x and y. So it's only asked x, so find x. You can find y also. Okay, let's solve them. 36x plus 24y equals to 702 and 24x plus 36y equals to 558. Try to make it as lowest as possible. Try to find a common factor, means not in both the 1 and 2 together. Try to find a common factor in 1. So 1 can be divided by 6. So it becomes 6x plus 4y equals to 117. Now luckily 2 can also be divided by 6. So same, 4x plus 6y equals to 93. It's not compulsory that 1 and 2 should be divided by same number. Luckily it's over there. Okay. So let's solve now. Now what? 6x over here and 4x over here. We have to combine them. Means make them. We have to find x. So we have to remove y. Okay. So multiply 3 by 6 and 4 by 4. What will happen because of that? 3 by 6 means this will become 4 6 are 24y and 4th will become 6 4 that 24y. Right? So 24y can get cancelled. So equation number 3 by 6 and equation number 4 by 4. Right? So what do we get the answer? 36x plus 24y equals to 117 into 6. You can find the answer or else we will find it later. Basically it's better you find the answer. It's 702 over here. Second, 16x plus 24y equals to 93 into 4. Right? To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.